Good morning. I hope you all woke up. I hope you all had a positive thought to start your day. If you wake up tomorrow, if you didn't, and tomorrow morning you wake up and you're like, okay, what positive thought should I have? Just say the simple mantra. Think. Just saying that makes me feel happy. Think pink. And like, there's times where, your mind does what the mind does. And I always remind myself, like, how can I be a hypocrite when I have a company named Think Pink? Like, I can't be blue. Like, I gotta think pink because that's what I'm telling other people to do. So I must do it myself. And you know what? This is how we change the world because we are influencing other people, specifically children, if you have children. So, they want to emulate you. And so I'm going to leave you with that thought for today. But actually, today's Wednesday. It is November 8th, 2023. Yesterday was my brother's birthday. Bernard, happy birthday. He's 35 years old. We are not children anymore. We got to get our together, right? Okay, so today, since it's Wednesday and we live by the five F's, right? Faith, family, finance. So today I wanted to talk about finance. So you guys know I'm in insurance, right? Like such a fun topic. So yeah, I'm in insurance. And one of the types of insurance that I'm licensed to do is called life insurance. And so, people come to me because they want to set up a legacy for their family, or, they're just wanting to make sure that their spouse and children are secure in case of their passing. Some people are getting to their end of life and they're beginning to think these things. And so they want to be prepared. Some people have been diagnosed with illnesses. That's always difficult. Like I had cancer when I was 24. You know what's so funny? Even after I beat cancer with the grace of God on my side, like I still never thought about life insurance. Like car insurance, I was so diligent on my car insurance. Like second I got a vehicle, like I had insurance. I was paying my own insurance since I was 16 years old. Never, had a gap in coverage. Like it was just like I was just so about my car insurance. And it's so funny with car insurance, like you pay all this money every single month and you hope you never need it, of course. And then it's like if you do, it goes up. And then so anyways, whatever, regardless, I'm kind of getting off of topic now. But so life insurance, right? I never thought about life insurance. And so there's all these different reasons we'll need life insurance. Some people, though, when the subject of life insurance come up, they take another sort of approach or viewpoint on that, and they will say things like why am I going to put all my money into this insurance company and like somebody else's gets money if I die? Like, and I get it. Like you're working hard, right? You're making your money, your income, and you don't want to have this extra monthly expense if you're going to do it on a monthly basis or yearly expense. And then because you're never going to see a reward from it, right? Like you die and then somebody else gets it. So, and I tried to explain other reasonings behind getting life insurance because there's different kinds of life insurance out there. Some people don't want to hear it at all though. And so I just kindly will rebuttal like, if you want to know why life insurance is so important, ask your bank. Do you have Chase or Wells Fargo or do you have a checking account somewhere? And the answer is mostly yes, and it's usually one of those two companies or one of the others. And so I'm like, well, ask them why life insurance is so important, and it doesn't make sense to them. So I'm gonna share my screen with you real quick because I don't want it to just be what I'm saying, right? Like, oh no, I'm gonna have to take a second to get to this. Oh no, it's okay. So next time you go into your local branch to make a transaction at the bank, I just want to show you this. So this is banks ranked by life insurance assets, and yes, life insurance can be an asset as of December 31st, 2003. So that was almost exactly 20 years ago, right? So 20 years ago, none of the banks had anything in life insurance assets. It's all zero, right? Nobody has any life insurance assets. Obviously, at that point in time, maybe they didn't think it was that crucial or that important. But let's just look. So that was 2003, December 31st. Let's hop over to March 31st of 2004. So about, next quarter, basically, like 3 months later. And Washington Mutual Bank, wow, like they put $2 million into a life insurance policy. So that's pretty interesting, right? Sovereign Bank, Astoria Federal Savings, Commercial, Webster. Third Federal, Sterling, Waypoint, Bank United. So I'm just trying to see if, like, since that time I've seen any of these banks come up. And it's kind of weird. These are all like smaller banks, right? Oh, here goes Wells Fargo. They were the 20th. They had the 20th largest life insurance asset at $35 million. Oh, so that was 2 billion. A lot of commas. I ain't at that level yet. That's a lot of commas. $2 billion. $2 billion. Wow. So from in 3 months, they moved $2 billion into life insurance. Interesting. So Wells Fargo, they're like, all right, let's see what these banks talking about. 35 million, no big deal. Fidelity, that's a pretty big one, 28. Anyway, so within 3 months, all these banks were moving their money. That's what we do, right? We move our money around. Uh, so that was March. So let's see, June. Washington Mutual still number one, but about the same. So September 2005, still Washington Mutual, not too much has changed. 2006. Oh, Bank of America coming in at $13 billion. So we're shit. Anyways, this is a cool link. I'll attach it in the video and you guys can do your own research. So June 30th, 2023. So that was the end of this last quarter, right? Yeah, June, July, August, September. Oh, no, sorry, 2 quarters ago. Bank of America is still number one at 24. And that's so many commas. No, that might be trillion, but no, I think that's billion, right? Okay, so that's million. Yeah, it's billions, billions. I'm like, dang, I don't know, trillions of dollars. Well, that's a lot of money. Okay, Bank of America, $24 billion. Wells Fargo right behind. Chase coming in number three. Chase, they were slow to the game, right? They didn't get in it in the beginning. PNC, Truist, US, Citi, New York, Mellon, BMO, KeyBank, Regions Bank, Citizens. So you guys know not too long ago about the bank, I think it was Silicon Valley out in California, how they just tanked, right? Like they just went under and the FDIC had to come in and insure, which they only insure up to $250,000. So God bless anybody who had more than that in their account. So they came in, they did that, they just went out, right? Well, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this video, but I mean, obviously they have money that was shifted over. So they tanked, FDIC insured everything, they stepped away, but they had all these money in life insurance assets. So that's interesting, right? So I'm just saying, like, I'm trying to get somewhere. And so I'm going to do and follow what the wealthy are doing. And, I don't have somebody that's like training me through this, like a a billionaire like coach or something like that. Like, but I can Google, I can research, I can find things out on my own. And so I'm just gonna follow the curve of things. So I am trying to build assets. Like again, I have children and I'm hoping that I can leave a legacy behind and we can build something fun in our lifetime together as a family. So that's what we're doing. And so life insurance is so much more than I die, somebody else. There's life insurance with living benefits. There is life insurance with living benefits and build assets in these things. It's called Tier One Capital. Google that. And come talk to me. Like I've been so blessed to be around like all these people that have been places and done things and building something, and it's very inspiring. And so I hope you reach out to me. We can talk one-on-one. I can plug you into my network. We meet 6 days a week uh out there in the West Coast. So it's like 6 a.m. they're getting up every morning to host and talk to us. And it's open forum. I can ask questions. We all talk. Um, at 7 a.m. my time. So in 6 days a week. And it's like, and I'm getting up well before that to make sure I get my exercise in because like, yo, health is wealth, man. Like I understand we're all gonna age. Like I'm not trying to hold on to nothing that ain't gonna be there forever. I understand how this whole life thing works. Like, so but I feel like when I get up and I move my body and I praise and I, you know, get the juices flowing in the morning, like, and I pray over myself too. I'm like, God, please keep this face beautiful, bless my mouth, bless my teeth, and I bless my children too. Like I just do the same thing over them. Like God bless their bodies, their minds, their hearts, their souls. And if it's true, I always say if it's true for me, it's true for others. Like, so bless yourselves, guys. And sometimes people want to make you feel bad for having money, like you're a bad person or like greedy, and like, yo, you gonna feed my kids? I don't think so. So like like I don't feel bad. Like I do the right things. I have spent time and knowledge, like gaining knowledge, and it's like I'm just trying to give it back and hand it to you so you can do something for yours. Like so, anyways, like, and I'm saying that because like I want you guys to feel that way. I want you guys to feel empowered. I want you guys to be out there doing good. Because when you're doing good, you know you're worth it, and you do the right things, and that's karma or whatever you want to call it. It's gonna come back around to you. You get what you give. So, anyways, trailing off, but just wanted to leave you with that little finance tip. I hope you guys Google, hope you guys do some research, make your own. I'm never that type of person. I always tell everybody, I know what I do. People say like sales. I'm not a freaking salesperson. Like, I'll show you what I got. I tell you what I know. Like, you make a decision for yourself, man. Like, I mean, I think these things are good ideas, like, or I think things should be done certain ways. And there's other people that think that way too. But at the end of the day, it's you and your family. So, anyways, let me know if you have any questions or if you want to get plugged into our world of ink and pink. Give me a call or text me or message me. And I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and be blessed.